In this video, I will show you how to handle dates with pandas. So let's import pandas. I will also import numpy. Now I will import a CSV file that has a date column. I will write here df pd.read_csv and then date underscore values dot csv, and then let's look at the head of the data frame. Now here in the output you can see, so I have some dates here in the date column along with the time, and I have some score here in the score column. So these are just random dates and score. The purpose is to see how we can handle the dates. Now first let's check how the date is being read by the read underscore csv. So I will write here df.dtypes. Now you will see that date is an object for now and score is integer. So our first task is going to convert this date variable into a datetime object. So let's do that. I will write here df of date, and then I will write pandas. So in pandas we have function to underscore datetime, and then in this I will just copy this from here and paste it here. Not the entire one, but I just want to paste df of date. Now let us execute the code, and if I check the data type again, df.dtypes, so now you can see it is a datetime object now. So this is how you have to convert your date into a datetime data type, otherwise by default it will be an object. Now we can also create some date range. So if you want to create a new data frame and you want to create some date for 1 month, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 year, so there is one function date underscore range. Let's see how that works. I will make a variable date underscore range, and then from pandas I will call date underscore range, and then the first parameter will be the start date from where I want to generate the date. So let's say I will write here 01/01/2025, and I want 30 days. So the next parameter is the end date, and end date is equal to, let's say 30, then 01, and then 2025. And then let's print this date range here. And here in the output you can see it has generated date starting from 1st of January 2025 till 30th of January 2025. So this is how you can also generate dates. Now we can also provide frequency. So instead of a daily data, let's say I want to keep a gap of 2 days. So I can just pass one parameter here, frequency (freq), and here I will write 2d. And if I execute the code again, so now here you see the first date is 1st January, the second one is 3rd, then 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th, and so on. So there is a gap of 2 days between each date. Now I can also add to this date column, I can also add, let's say I want to increase this date by 5. So instead of 5, it will become 10, and this will become 8, and so on. So let's see how you can increment the date. For that I will create a new column, and the new column name will be date plus 5 days. and then here I will write df of date, and then plus, because I want to add a new date to this one, so plus, and then I will call pandas pd dot time delta, and then number of days I want to increment it by 5 days, so I will pass here 5, and then let us print the data frame df. Now here in the output you can see that we got a new column date plus 5 days, and all the dates are incremented by 5. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 16 is 21. Earlier I said 5 plus 2 8 here. It was a mistake. I'm sorry for that. Now, so this is how you can increment your date, and we can also subtract the dates. So you just have to do the same one. Let me copy this from here and paste it here, and here I will make a new column minus 5 days, and then instead of plus I will just write here minus. Now here in the output you can see that we got a new column here, date minus 5 days. So the column name I missed to write s here, you can correct it. So this is a new column name, and you can just subtract 5 from each date. Now you can also extract year, month, day, day of the week, day of the year, and so on. So let's say I will make a new column year, and then it will be df of date, and then on this I will call dot dt dot year. So I will copy this because I'm going to use it again and again. Now the next one is df dot month, and then here I will write dt dot month, then df dot day, and then here dt dot day, then df of day of week, and then dt dot day underscore name, and then df of week of year, and then it will be dt dot is ISO calendar dot week. Now if I print this data frame df, here in the output you can see we have new columns year, so year is 25 for all of them, then month 5 3 7 5 3 7, then 10 and 4, then day 2 16 9 24 13, then day of week is this is Friday, Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, week of year 18 11 28 43 and 15. So you can also extract these different components of the date, and now we can also extract time. So we have this time along with the date. Let's see how we can extract hour, minutes, and second. I will make new variables. I will write here df of hour, and then the same I will copy here df date dot dt dot hour, then df of minute, and then I will paste here and I will call minute, then df of second, and again it will be dot second, and let us execute. And if I print the data frame here, so in the output you will see now we got 3 new columns here. The first one is hour, then minute and second. Now we can also apply the filter on any of these variable. Let's say I will apply on date, and I will write here df of df date, and then dt dot month is equal to 7. Now, so for this month 7 we have only one row here, so we got this in the output where the month is 7. So you can apply filter on any column, and also we can add a time zone UTC. So let me make one new column, df of time underscore UTC, and then I will paste it same here, and then I will call tz underscore localize, and then I will write here UTC, and then let me print df. Now here in the output you see I have a new column here, time underscore UTC, and this time is in accordance with the UTC time. So this is how you can put these new variables in the data frame. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.